Today I have for you the Cadorva portable high-speed waist fan, and it's actually more than just a waist fan. It's actually quite versatile. I'm going to tell you all the things I love about it, and we'll give you a quick demo. So I'm going to turn off my light here so we don't see the reflection, but when you go ahead and turn that on, it's going to start at 1. It's going to show you the percentage of what's in there. So right now we're at 75% of the fan life. This takes about 2.5 hours to charge, and depending on what level you go up to, now I'm at 25%, you could get up to 11 hours of use out of just one charge. So you just go up like that, click it through, and it goes up 25 at a time. And then once you get to 100, you do a short press on the button and it turns off. I love the fact that it does show the battery life. That is super convenient. But another thing you can also do is, so like I have it on, we'll go up to 25. If you hold this button, it'll just automatically start climbing up to the temp or to the speed that you want. Included in the box with the fan is you do get the charging cable, get a little user manual, and you also get your choice of lanyard colors. And you might ask yourself, what do you need a lanyard for? Let me show you. So you do get black or orange, but you hook this on, and then you can actually, this is going to blow, depending on how strong you have it, blow up at your face. Pretty nice. The other thing that I really love about this is you get the option of whether you want to wear this up or down. So if you want it going up your shirt or down towards your leg, you have that option depending on which side you use these clips. Okay. Or, you know, you can wear it on the right or the left because they give you both options. If you are not going to wear this and you want it on your waist, having the lanyard might be inconvenient. So there are little clips here where you can just undo the lanyard. Let me show you there. And this lanyard is adjustable, so you can certainly make it longer, shorter. A couple of great things I've loved for this. One, you can also hook this onto a stroller. So if you have a baby, a grandbaby, and you want to keep them cool in the summertime, this fan is awesome. Not too loud, but really strong power. You could also hook this onto a solid, like a baseball cap, trucker hat. That can also be hooked onto there. Another thing I love it for personally is hot flashes. This does cool you off very quickly, and I find that if I actually put it inside my shirt on here, I can blow this up or down in either direction for what I need. So really a lot of options with this waist fan, more than I could have even imagined. I highly recommend it.